I'm back on my main tutorials board now, and I'll go up and click this automate button to bring up the automations page. As with most things in Monday.com, we have a handful of categories over here, and we have some templates to get us started. Many automations will follow an if this, then that logic. Some basic templates, for example, are when an item is created, assign creator as person, or when status changes to something, notify someone. Many of these templates will allow you to incorporate applications that you regularly use, like Gmail, Google Calendar, or Outlook. For simplicity though, let's test this first one and click Use Template. The automation builder is fairly simple for an easy one like this. We could use the trash bin to delete parts of the automation, and the plus buttons will allow us to add conditions or add actions. A condition would be an additional criteria that we might have to meet. An action would be something to do in addition to assigning a creator, such as set a date. I'll just make the most simple form of this automation by clicking the underlined person, and I'll find a person type column to fill in here. In my case, and maybe yours too, that column is already called person. Once my column has been selected, I'll click Create Automation. That's going to land us in the Manage tab of our automations. We were just in Create. The Manage tab shows us the automations that we have created already. We can toggle this automation on or off, and we can make changes in the menu here. Let's create one more item to test this automation. I'll close this window. I'm going to clear my current filter, and then I'll add a new item called New Automation Test. And when I hit enter on my keyboard, Monday.com will show us that the automation is running. I can now see that I'm the person assigned. I'm going to get a notification about this. You can see that here. And then if we open automations, we can check the run history. That's in the menu. We can open up the details, and we can navigate directly to the item from here if we'd like. That just scratches the surface of automations. But by now, you should be ready to enter your work into Monday.com if you haven't been following along already. Remember that using the link in the description will get you the best deal that we currently have available with Monday.com.